which for you little folk means mama needs a job. Hey farm friends, as you know, we are trying to find lots of different ways to make this property make us money. Since I'm not working up here, my job is to supplement the income that we used to have, which for you little folk means mama needs a job. So this extra house behind me used to be a workshop, and it also used to be a meat processing barn. But now it's going to be our guest house. It does have an upstairs and a kitchen-ish area downstairs, and we are going to be working on finishing out the walls that I've started upstairs. So the kids are gonna help me. Yesterday, that pile of wood on the front porch, we planed it all, which means we made it all smooth and flat, and everything is nice and straight, and we're going to start putting them on the walls. The only problem is they are actually fence panels, because thanks to Joanna and Chip, y'all made shiplap very expensive at Home Depot, so I had to get creative. Actually, David got creative, and he found the fence panels that are actually pretty wide. They're big planks, for like $1.70 something at at Home Depot. And so we bought a whole bunch of those to start with, and we sent them through the planer. Now we are going to start cutting off the tops for the little decorative piece on top. Hold please. Now that they've all been planed, they all have this fence top on the top that we're gonna get rid of. So I'm gonna have the kids just mark a line across it with a ruler, and then I'm gonna saw off each piece. And then we'll be able to hang them on the walls and paint them. So that'll be our version of shiplap on the cheap, since shiplap is no longer cheap, thanks to my little friends. I love you still. Anyway, so the kids are gonna finish up their lunch, and then they're gonna help me start this new project for the day. All right, everybody's helping, all hands on deck. Molly's marking them, and Lily and Jack are the wood handlers.
Right over there?
That's their official title?
I need to have them. Molly, you have to hand them to Jack, and Jack.
Okay, can you not pick them up? Is that
Jack, your job is to get them and then bring them to me. Okay, Lily,
I'm sorry.
you're a wood mover, right?
Wood handler.
Wood handler. Jackie, are you a wood handler?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm a wood handler.
I think you're a cleaner.
No, I'm a wood handler.
Okay.
I'm gonna put all the pieces of wood over here. Mama.
Okay.
How do I? That you need to do.
All right. Here, hand me one. I need one.
That's soft. Here.
Kids have stopped helping, which is okay because it's pretty outside.
It's cold. No, it feels nice.
Feels nice today. Everybody's enjoying it out here.
Look at us, best friends.
Jack went back in the house.
Man, why did he go back in the house?
He went to go get batteries.
Oh.
All right.
He wants to be in the house right now.
I'm going back to work. Here's the upstairs. You can see it's pretty bare bones. This was where they did staining and woodworking. There's still some sawdust left over, but we're gonna make this into a bedroom, little living area, and a bathroom. So I went ahead and framed this out already, and now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these panels on this wall, and then in between there'll be some insulation, so it'll keep the heat in and the cool in, as you can see, I've already taken the lights lights out with the power. So I'm up against the clock. So here we go. Shot. The kids have been playing outside this whole time. I'm not mad about it. They are, oh, let's move you up here. They are out there just having a good old time. I'm not sure where Jack is, but nonetheless, I'm getting a lot of work done because they're playing so well. So this room is coming together quite nicely. More progress to come.